The stage set at the White House for one of the most anticipated bilateral engagements of the year for India.
That's
President Trump and his wife, Melania Trump. So they're both out there to greet the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Minutes later, the President of the United States and the First Lady walking out of the most visited presidential home in the world.
There's the Prime Minister's the big limousine that's coming straight up, and
in a matter of seconds, Prime Minister's vehicle arriving at the famed foyer of the White House.
That's the guard going up to the car, open the car door, and the Prime Minister is going to step out, and this is going to be an interesting moment because the Prime Minister, I think, would be meeting both the first couple for the first time. So there you are. That's a warm handshake there. A few words exchanged. Well, a pat on the left arm, as well as a joint double-handed handshake, and a few words spoken, and they're quite intense already. A joke cracked, as I said. Narendra Modi perhaps was going to lighten the mood because he's that type of guy. He takes control of the situation, and I think that over a few moments you're going to see the personal chemistry already emerge.
And we could see the warmth with which Donald Trump actually escorted and led.
Yeah, lovely pictures.
Prime
Lovely
Minister
pictures.
Modi.
The Prime Minister flanked by President Trump and First Lady Melania Trump walking towards the historic Oval Office.
These are the inside visuals at that one moment after the exchange with Donald Trump and Melania Trump. There was that one glance to the cameras. Are you seeing the warmth that I've got? Now, these are visuals of them walking in.
And also, they're not at a loss for words.
Yeah.
So there's constant conversation. There are no awkward pauses inside. That's a shot coming in from inside the Oval Office.
Well, thank you very much. It's a great honor to have Prime Minister Modi of India, who has been such a great Prime Minister. I've been speaking with him and reading about you, and you have done a great job economically. India is doing very well, and in so many other ways. So I'd like to congratulate you. I'd like to congratulate you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Would you like to say something?
मैं समझता हूँ कि मीटिंग के बाद काफ़ी कुछ मुझे कहना है, लेकिन फिर भी राष्ट्रपति जी और फर्स्ट लेडी ने जिस प्रकार से मेरा और मेरे डेलीगेशन का भव्य स्वागत किया है, सम्मान किया है, ये 125 करोड़ देशवासियों का सम्मान है। मैं इसके लिए राष्ट्रपति जी का और फर्स्ट लेडी का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। भारत की विकास यात्रा, भारत की आर्थिक प्रगति, इन सारे विषयों पर राष्ट्रपति जी का गहरा अध्ययन है। और मुझे खुशी है कि जब 2014 में, जबकि वो राष्ट्रपति के चुनाव के मैदान में भी नहीं थे, तब जब भारत आए थे और उस समय उन्होंने भारत में, मीडिया ने मेरे विषय में जब पूछा और इतनी उम्दा बातें कही थी, वो मेरे जीवन में बहुत यादगार रहेगी और मैं इसके लिए उनका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ। थैंक यू दोस्तों, बाद में काफ़ी कुछ बातें होगी मीटिंग के बाद।
After the brief welcome address, the leaders heading towards their main event, the much-awaited bilateral meeting.
Thank you very much. It's a great honor to have Prime Minister Modi with us as representatives. We've had a lot of discussions already. We're making great progress. The relationship between the United States and India is very, very strong and very, very powerful. We agree on most things, and I would say by the end of the day we'll agree on everything. But I just want to tell you, Mr. Prime Minister, it's a great honor to have you on the United States.
ऐसे में एक बार सबके बीच आपसे मिलने का अवसर फिर से एक बार मिला। मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ। आपने और फर्स्ट लेडी ने जिस स्वागत मेरा और मेरी डेलीगेशन का स्वागत किया, मान किया, इसके लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ। और अमेरिका भारत का एक उत्तम मित्र के रूप में भारत और अमेरिका मिलकर के हमारी साझी विरासत है। आप दुनिया के सबसे पुराना लोकतंत्र है, हम दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र हैं, डेमोक्रेटिक वैल्यूज के लिए समर्पित हम दो देश हैं और हम मिलकर भारत अमेरिका के लिए, अमेरिका भारत के लिए, ये तो सही है, लेकिन साथ साथ अमेरिका और भारत मिलकर के विश्व के लिए बहुत कुछ कर सकता है और उस करने की दिशा में आपका नेतृत्व बहुत बड़ी भूमिका अदा करेगा। मैं फिर
Thank you, Carlos. Thank you. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Over here. Go ahead.
In fact, right at the beginning of the joint statement, President Trump said, these were his words, he said that the relationship between India and United States have not been stronger ever than they are at this point. Of course, characterizing exactly what all happened behind the closed doors during this bilateral and during the one-on-one. And the anticipated bear hug happened not once, but twice between the two of them.
During my campaign, I pledged that if elected, India would have a true friend in the White House. And that is now exactly what you have, a true friend. The friendship between the United States and India is built on shared values, including our shared commitment to democracy. The security partnership between the United States and India is incredibly important. Both our nations have been struck by the evils of terrorism, and we are both determined to destroy terrorist organizations and the radical ideology that drives them. We will destroy radical Islamic terrorism. And you are fighting government corruption, which is always a grave threat to democracy. Together, our countries can help chart an optimistic path into the future, one that unleashes the power of new technology, new infrastructure, and the enthusiasm and excitement of very hardworking and very dynamic people.
दोनों ही देश एक ऐसे बायलैटरल आर्किटेक्चर को लेकर कमिटेड हैं जो हमारी स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनरशिप को नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाएगा। इस संदर्भ में दोनों देशों में इंक्रीज प्रोडक्टिविटी, ग्रोथ, जॉब क्रिएशन और ब्रेक थ्रू टेक्नोलॉजीज स्ट्रॉन्ग ड्राइवर्स रहेंगे। आज अपनी मीटिंग में हमने टेररिज्म, एक्सट्रीमिज्म और रेडिकलाइजेशन से पूरे विश्व में उत्पन्न गंभीर चुनौतियों पर चर्चा की तथा इसमें अपने सहयोग को बढ़ाने पर भी सहमति बनाई। मेरे लिए जो भाव व्यक्त किए, भारत के लिए जो भाव व्यक्त किए, उसके लिए मैं हृदय से उनका आभारी हूँ और मैं उनकी बेटी का भी भारत में स्वागत करने के लिए प्रतीक्षा कर रहा हूँ। उन्होंने मेरा निमंत्रण स्वीकार किया है।
Clearly, the highlight of the growing friendship between the two nations being the trademark embrace of PM Modi. Earlier, it was President Obama, and now it's Trump, a clear signal of strengthening ties. Bureau Report, Times Now.